Hello guys, and welcome you all to today's video. Thank you all for yesterday's trading activities. I saw all your trading results. They were all amazing. I'm really happy that we now have more newbies in the house making some cool profit for themselves on daily basis. Okay guys, that is why I'm coming up with the $200 forex trading strategy for trading bull and crash, so that we all can benefit from it. And let's see how we can make up to $200 today. Okay guys, let me quickly say this: it's possible for some of us not to have the same result as what I am trying to teach you in today's video. Okay, actually we will be freestyling on the on different analysis just to see where we can catch up some good opportunities for us to trade today. And of course we will follow up in the Telegram channel in order for us to have amazing profit for ourselves today. Okay guys, so your capital will also determine how far you will go, and also your lot size will determine how far you can get. Okay, and of course guys, we have some people that can even make more than that based on their trading capital, while some will not even make up to that, while some will make exactly $200. So it all depends on the capital and the lot size we are using. But do not use a big lot size that will be too big for your trading capital to control. Okay, that is very, very important. Make sure you are okay with whatever you are able to achieve. The most important thing is you making profit. Okay, so let's go straight into what we have right here. But before we go fully into it, in case you are just joining us for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. This is a platform which I used to share with you my ideas on how you can make some cool cash for yourself online, most especially within the forex niche. All you need to do is just to take some time to browse through the channel, watch my training videos, and of course guys, make sure you practice and perfect your trading skill first on your demo account before trying them out on your real account. And if you love my videos, can you give me a thumbs up and share with families and friends? And if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do so right away so that you can be notified whenever I upload a training video like this. You can also join the Telegram channel without wasting time. So quickly, let's go straight into what we have right here. So like I said, we will be looking at how we can make up to $200 trading today. Okay guys, it is a $200 forex trading strategy for boom and crash, for trading boom and crash. Okay guys, just like you guys have always known, okay, we will be considering the trend. Okay, the trend is always very, very important. When you know the right trend to trade the assets you want to trade, then you will be able to milk the market with confidence, because you won't just be in the market when you are not supposed to be in the market. Okay, then of course guys, we also need to consider the support and the resistance zone. Okay, then of course guys, we need to use a reasonable lot size. Okay, a reasonable lot size depending on our trading capital. So these are three things we are putting together in order for us to achieve what this goal. Okay, let's go straight into the chart right away so that we can see how to go about it. So guys, we're starting with boom 1000. Let's see what this is giving to us. As you can see, we made a lot of profits yesterday, and even in the night we still made a lot of profits using the analysis we had in the night. And of course that was amazing guys. So you don't need to jump into the market all the time. You can see, if you are not a spike trader, this is not the right trend for you to trade boom 1000, because this was on uptrend. This is now I mean, this is where you should come in and trade, because this is when the market went on downtrend, and you can see you can pick a lot of profits right from there. You just need to have confidence in yourself and the trading tools you are using. If you are using the right trading tools, then you will be able to get it right all the time. This is 3M Trend Milker Trading Indicator. It is an amazing trading tool which we all have been using to milk the market. If you have been following up with my analysis and you are making a lot of profit with it, then definitely the trading tool I've been using is called 3M Trend Milker Trading Indicator. It is a custom made indicator and a trend trading indicator which helps you to milk the market successfully within the trend. Okay, so right here, this also went on uptrend right from this support zone. Okay, it went on uptrend. You can see this is meant for those that love trading spike. Okay, some of us also made a lot of profits from there. Okay, but for those of you that don't like trading spike, then definitely you can still make some cool profit for yourself trading the normal trend. Right from here, it got to the resistance zone, and at the moment it is giving us a sell signal. So this is the right time for you to trade. Now let's see how much profit we can make today. Okay guys, if you had seen this video earlier, then definitely you should have come in somewhere around there, and you should be closing your markets, taking your profits somewhere around there, because here is a support zone. Right here is a support zone, so I expect you to have taken your first profits somewhere around there. If it breaks out below that, then definitely the next stage for you to take your profit, okay, is somewhere around here. Okay, you should take the second profit somewhere around there. Okay, and if it breaks out below this, then definitely your next take profit should be somewhere around here. Okay, somewhere around here. Okay, so I've highlighted 3 different areas for you to take profit. Okay, this side we take a long way for you to go, okay, for you to take the last profit, which is going to be somewhere around there. So it might have some pullbacks before it gets to this region. So this is very, very important. Remember, I am using 5-minute time frame, okay, and of course I'm using the 3M trend Milka trading indicator. So for those of you that are having this trading tool, then definitely set up your chart and check out my videos, check out the highlighted areas, and make sure you are able to get it right on your chart also, so that you can make some cool profit for yourself right from there. So let's check out the next asset, which is going to be Boom 500. This is Boom 500 guys, and of course this has been on uptrend right from here, got to this resistance zone, played around there for a very long time. That was a very long one, okay, and of course it went back right from this support zone and broke out from this resistance zone. It has gone to this resistance zone, and right now it is now selling. So this is the best time for you to start selling, of course, but let's see how far we can go. Okay, it needs to break out below this support zone. Once it breaks out below that support zone, then definitely your next take profit should be this. Okay, should be around here. Okay, you should take your first profit around there, then your second profit should be around let me pick this around here. So this should be your second take profit. That is after breaking out from here. So you can do it bit by bit. It's not compulsory you take a whole stretch right from there, okay, because there might be pullbacks in between. When there is a pullback, it gives you an opportunity to make more profit with that with that particular asset. So you can even be making up to $200 from a single asset. Okay, after that, once there is a breakout from there, here is the next take profit. Then there is also another opportunity for you to take your profit somewhere here, and if you should notice, it has not been able to break out from this support zone for a very long time. Okay, so except if it breaks out from there, that is when you have the opportunity to take another profit somewhere here, but this is not verified at the moment because we need it to break out from this particular support zone. So this is where we are looking at as the last take profit for now, but once it breaks out below this support zone, then definitely this should be your last take profit. Okay, so this is very, very important. So let's check out Crash 1000 right away. So this is Crash 1000, and of course from this support zone, it started an uptrend. You can see it going up at the moment, but it was unable to break out from this resistance zone, so it pulled back and it is heading towards it again. So your next take profit should be somewhere here. This time around I'm going to move it forward a bit, okay, which is almost there already. So this should be your next take profits. What once it breaks out from there, then your next take profit should be this. Okay, should be this. Okay, so that is very, very important. So if it breaks out from there, then the next take profit for you should be somewhere here. Okay, somewhere here. So that is very, very important. So if you are able to achieve this, then you are good to go. Okay, so let's check out the next asset, which is going to be Crash 500. Crash 500, I'm going to zoom it in a bit, and of course take it backward just for us to have a better view of it. Okay, this is Crash 500, and of course this has been going up and up, got to this resistance zone, was unable to break out from their pullback, and of course it's going back up again to try it out. If it's unable to break out from there, then it should be selling. So let's allow that to happen before we can say we will milk from there. Okay, so that is very, very important. Now let's check out Boom 300. Okay guys, before I go on with Boom 300, okay, let me quickly say this: if you're having a small trading capital, I won't advise you to trade Boom 300, most especially if you're not very confident about your trading activities within the market. I won't advise you to trade boom 300, boom and crash 300. The reason is they are the most volatile of all. Okay, so you will make a lot of profits with it, and you can also lose your money easily with it. So this is very, very important. So except if you have good capital, then you can trade boom and crash 300. Okay, so right here this has been on downtrend, but if you should notice, it has been following up a certain trend, goes down and pulls back, goes down, pulls back, and of course if you should check it out, this is the trend it has been following for the resistance zone. Okay, that's the trend it has been following, and for the support zone, this is what it has been following. Okay, so you can see that. Okay, so you can always use that to do your markings. Okay, so as to know how it has been moving. You can see when it got to this place, it pulled back again, and it has been playing around there for a very long time. Before you know it, it might try to break out from this resistance zone. I see if it will get to this region. Actually, it's trying to buy, but it has not been able to get it right. So let's wait for that to happen, and once it breaks out above this minor resistance zone, then definitely it will be heading towards this major resistance zone. I see if it will break out above it. If it breaks out above it, then it should go up. Okay, that is very, very important. Let's check out crash 300. Okay, this is crash 300. Okay, let's see what is happening with crash 300. Crash 300 I've been playing around there for a very long time, and of course it's trying to go back up to see if it will get to this resistance zone. If it's unable to break out from there, then it will start crashing, and of course it will start selling at that particular point. Okay, that is if it is able to break out from this support zone, then it might sell down to this support zone. Okay, so that is very, very important. These are where we are most likely to have opportunities today. Most of the opportunities comes within the boom 1000, boom 500, crash 1000, and crash 500. 300 indices are not really giving us a blue light at the moment, and of course it's still playing around for a very long time, and still playing at the moment, and of course we need to see a clear signal before we can jump into it. Like I always tell you, you don't need to force yourself into the market. Okay, make sure you get a clear signal before you jump into it. That is very, very important. If the signal is not clear enough, stay away from the market. That is very, very important. If the signal is not clear enough, stay away from the market. This is very, very important. So guys, I will be stopping right here. Remember, this is coming to you courtesy Qora Digital Cash, and if you have any question at all, feel free to contact me. My contact details are in the description box below this video. You can also drop your questions in the comment section. I will be there to reply you, and I will give you the right answers to all your questions, and of course others can also benefit from there. Okay, but if you have a personal question, probably you want to know more about the trading tool, you will have to contact me via WhatsApp. Okay, my contact details, my WhatsApp details are in the description box below this video. Just check there, copy it, and contact me, and I will be there to reply you. I will be stopping right here. Remember, this is coming to you courtesy Qora Digital Cash. Watch out for my next video. Until then, God bless you.